Hey guys, welcome to another video here on Food Chain TV. Very important video to watch if you're about to bake something. You should always test your baking powder before you bake, and this is what I'm going to show you in this video. First things first, baking powder different from baking soda. Baking soda requires an acid to activate. Baking powder just requires liquid like water. Okay, so we're testing baking powder to see if it'll create gas before you start baking. If you don't do this, then you risk ruining your baked goods. They won't rise. All right, so what we do is we take a little bit just like that and we drop it into some warm tap water. Okay, see that? That is not good. That means this baking powder has expired. It didn't fizz. Okay, so if we had baked with this, we would have ruined whatever we were doing. All right, now if it's good baking powder, you should be able to take a little spoonful like this and mix it into the water. And right away, look at that. We see all that fizz and foam. That means that's good baking powder. That's gonna have a reaction, and when you bake with it, it's gonna do what it's intended to do. All right, so I hope this video helped. Thank you very much for watching. This has been a public service announcement by Food Chain TV. Happy baking to you. Don't forget to check your baking powder.